Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link your Exness account with MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness. Then if you have an account, you can use it. But if not, you can click on open a new account. Choose one of these, click on continue. For me, I will choose demo account. Choose the leverage you want, the account balance, the currency, and the nickname. So let's choose, for example, MT MT5 video, for example. Okay, and here you have to add a password and you have to remember this password. Okay, okay, because we will use it later. Okay, now click on create an account, and now this is our account. Okay, now go to MT5, click on file, go to open an account, click on it. Here on the search bar, type Exness. Okay, then click on find your company. Then wait for a moment. When you see these results, make sure you choose this one, Exness Technologies Ltd. Don't choose any one of these, choose this one. So click on it, click on next. Okay, now go and choose this one, connect with an existing trade account. Click on it like this. Now for the login, let's go back to Exness. This is our new account. Click on these three dots and click on account information. As you can see, now we have here MT5 login. Copy it from here, click on this icon and paste it here. Now you have to enter that password. Okay, the password I said you have to remember it. Okay, now we have here server. Let's go back to Exness, and as you can see, we have here Exness MT5 trial. Let's go back and let's look for it. This one, Exness MT5 trial. Now click on finish and wait for a moment.
Incoming mail.
Now, if we go to accounts here under MT5, click on it. As you can see, we have here Exness MT5 trial. If you click on it, you will see MT5 video. Okay, the account we created. As you can see, this account, MT5 video. Okay, 204 on 40, 240. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.